Hey guys, today we are going on kind of a nature walk and we're gonna find some animals, reptiles. Oh, there we go. We already found our first thing. Number one, green and old. That is a female. Let's refer to her as Darlene, I guess. So yeah, there's the types of things we're gonna be finding. Oh, and I don't think I got on camera, but I just saw a wasp. So number two, a wasp. All right. Three, fire ants. That nest is pretty dead, though. Let's see what else we can find. We may find honeybees or bumblebees. Or, if we're lucky, we can find a skink, or even better, a snake. That would be sick. Find is where I am. It is actually kind of rare to find a snake. Even though we are in North Carolina, in my area, it is kind of rare to find a snake. So, let's just keep an eye out for animals. Not seeing anything. Oh, there's some actual fire ants. Alright, unless there is fire ants. So. What else can we find? Ooh, I know where we can find some animals at. There's always animals in here. Ooh, bugs. And I see a frog down there. I don't know if y'all saw that. There's a frog down there. Where would you find some more reptiles? Where would we find reptiles? Okay, not seeing anything over here. I will cut to when I am in the front. All right, we are in the front yard. Let's see what we can find. See if we can find any skinks, because I do happen to know that a lot of skinks like to stay in the front yard. Not very many in the back. On the other side of this tree. Nope, I'm not seeing anything over here. We'll go back to this area, maybe. Wait. Nope, I didn't see anything. Let's see if there's anything in the bushes. There's usually some critters inside these bushes. I guess not today. I'll check in here. Alright, we are in the side yard now. Let's see what we can find. Because I happen to know a ton of lizards and whatnot happen to be over here. Like they all are all over here. lizards. Hold them. There might be some baby lizards in this bush. I'm not really. Dang, there isn't really that many things out here today. Oh! Oh, baby. There's a baby. Right there. That is, let me see what that is. That is a female. Female green and old. Alright, number 4 is another green and old. Female one. To be exact. Around the other side. I will cut to when we were around the other side of the house. Alright, we are on the other side of the house. See if we can find anything over here. I'm hoping we can find a skink today. But that might not be possible. But we'll find out. They like to hide inside of here. Let's go back over here. Okay. Well, there is this lizard in my yard that I named Stella. And I can tell it's her by her lost tail. Okay, we had to end that video early because there is some pretty bad weather coming here, and so I had to stay inside. But maybe another day we can go out and find some more animals. The winter's coming up, so when that happens, I'll be just posting videos about really reading old videos, that type of stuff, talking about stuff, and maybe I can talk about some other stuff. So, yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye!